Hi, this is GB and GB's Adventures. April 4, 2025. I'm finally back out of the house after knee surgery and lucked out on filming a Coastguard Recovery. The Coast Guard successfully recovered a disabled sport fishing boat and brought it back into the harbor and released it to the boat ramp in Noyo Basin. The whole operation caused quite a commotion with the sea lions by the Coast Guard station. Thank you so much for watching my video. You know that you can subscribe for free and it really helps me out. Please just click on my picture to subscribe.